In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off explicit filter on Amazon Music. If you've ever wondered why certain songs or albums are missing or silently skipped, it's often because the explicit content filter is on. Turning it off is quick and helps you hear tracks exactly as artists intended, including versions labeled explicit. First, open the Amazon Music desktop app. Make sure you're signed into the account you use for your music library. Once the app is open, look toward the top of the window for your profile icon. Click that, then choose Settings. This is where Amazon Music keeps most of the playback preferences that affect what you hear and how the app behaves. Inside Settings, scroll until you see the playback section. You're looking for an option called Block Explicit Songs. When this setting is on, anything marked explicit will be filtered out or skipped. To allow explicit tracks to play, simply toggle it off. That's it. No extra confirmations needed. After switching it off, you can return to your music and try a track that's clearly labeled explicit to confirm the change took effect. One helpful thing to know is that this preference generally syncs across devices that use the same Amazon account. So if you listen on a desktop at work and a speaker or phone at home, your playback experience should be consistent without adjusting the setting in multiple places. Give it a moment to sync if it doesn't seem immediate. There are a couple of important caveats to keep in mind. Some devices designed for families or kids, like child-focused smart speakers, may enforce explicit filtering even if you've turned it off in the Amazon Music app. That behavior is controlled by parental or household settings. If you're still not hearing explicit tracks on one of those devices, check the relevant parental controls for that device and make sure explicit content is allowed there as well. Very rarely, the change might not apply right away. If explicit songs still won't play after you've turned the filter off, try closing and reopening the Amazon Music app. In some cases, a quick device restart helps the setting refresh and sync properly. Also double-check that you're using the same account across all your devices, since the filter applies per account, and that's all you need to do. By adjusting a single toggle in Settings, you can control whether explicit songs are blocked or allowed and keep your listening experience consistent across your devices. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your music without unnecessary skips.